Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photo with monochrome aesthetic filter on EPIK photo editor. So first, add your photo or open your photo on EPIK, and then here just go to filter and then swipe until you find the mono category. Then select the mono filter and set it to around 80 like this. And then after that, go to the effects and then find the texture tab and choose the dash to effect. Adjust the effect. So for the opacity, adjust it to 100, then the color to 0. And after that, you are done. So here is the before and here is the after. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, and also comment. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.